Hello everyone, and welcome to Masara Business and Legal Solutions, your trusted partner for legal and business advice here in the UAE. I'm Mansoor, a business and legal consultant with over 20 years of experience helping expatriates resolve complex immigration and labor law issues. Today, we're discussing a topic that affects thousands of expats every year: absconding cases in the UAE, what it really means, and how to remove it. If you or someone you know has been reported as absconding, don't panic. This video will help you understand what absconding truly means, why it happens, and what you can legally do to clear your name. So stay tuned till the end, because I'll also share how Masara can help you handle it professionally and confidentially. Section 1. What does absconding mean in UAE law? Let's start with the basics. The term absconding under UAE labor law means that an employee leaves their job without informing or taking permission from their employer and does not return to work for more than 7 consecutive days. In simple terms, the employer reports that you have run away or disappeared from your job without notice. Once that report is filed, your residency visa is usually cancelled and your name can be flagged in the immigration and labor system, meaning you could face a 1-year employment ban, difficulty finding a new job, or even a travel restriction until the matter is resolved. So yes, absconding is a serious issue, but the good news is it can be challenged or removed if reported unfairly. Section 2. Why do absconding cases happen? There are many reasons why absconding cases occur, and not all are the employee's fault. Let's go through the most common scenarios. Employer disputes or workplace issues. Sometimes employees leave because of unpaid salaries, poor working conditions, or harassment, but the employer files absconding to protect themselves. Job change without proper cancellation. If you switch jobs before your old visa is cancelled properly, the old employer may file absconding. Expired visa or labor card. If your company doesn't renew your documents and you stop reporting to work, the system might automatically flag you. Runaway domestic workers. In the case of housemaids or private workers, even leaving the employer's house without notice can be reported as absconding. Miscommunication or mistaken identity. Believe it or not, some absconding reports happen by mistake or miscommunication, especially in large companies, or when an employee is on vacation or sick leave without proper documentation. So, not every absconding case is intentional. Many are disputable and fixable with the right legal approach. Section 3. What happens after an absconding report? Once your employer files an absconding report with the Ministry of Human Resources and Emiratization, MOTRI, or the Immigration Department, the following usually happens. Your residency visa and labor card may be suspended or cancelled. You may receive a 1-year work ban in the UAE. You may be blacklisted in the labor system, preventing you from getting new employment. In some cases, deportation orders may follow, especially if the report includes additional violations. However, and this is important, the law also protects employees from false or malicious reports. Section 4. What if the absconding report is false or unfair? If you believe your employer filed the absconding report unfairly, for example, if you left due to unpaid salaries, or you were terminated without notice, you have the right to challenge the report. You can do this by filing a complaint at the nearest MORE office or through the Tawafuk Center, presenting your evidence, such as employment contracts, salary slips, WhatsApp or email communication, or witnesses, explaining the reason for your absence and proving it wasn't willful desertion. Once your side is heard, MORE or the Immigration Authority can cancel the absconding report if they find the employer's claim invalid. That's where professional legal support makes a huge difference, knowing which documents and statements matter most. Section 5. How to remove or cancel an absconding case. Here's the process most people want to know. How can I remove my absconding case and work again legally? The steps depend on your specific situation, but generally it includes: Step 1. Visiting MORA, or the relevant authority, to verify if an absconding report exists. Step 2. If confirmed, filing an official petition or cancellation request with supporting documents. Step 3. If you've already left the UAE, your legal representative or sponsor can apply on your behalf. Step 4. If the employer refuses to cooperate, you can take the case to the labor court for review. In some cases, the absconding report expires automatically after a certain period, especially if no further legal action was taken. However, it's always best to confirm officially rather than assume. At Masara Business and Legal Solutions, we help clients check their absconding status, prepare the proper documentation, and submit cancellation or reconsideration requests directly through legal and authorized channels. Section 6. Can you work again after an absconding case? Yes, but only after the absconding status is cleared. Once the case is cancelled or closed, you can apply for a new visa, either with the same employer if reconciled or with a new company. If the case was valid and you served a 1-year ban, you can re-enter the UAE after the ban period ends, or apply for ban removal through a special request if there were exceptional circumstances. Our team at Masara has successfully helped many expats remove bans and re-enter legally after reviewing their individual cases in detail. Section 7. How Masara can help at Masara Business and Legal Solutions. We've spent over 2 decades assisting clients across the UAE with absconding case removal, labor disputes and complaints, deportation and travel ban, lifting visa and sponsorship problems, business and immigration legal solutions. We work confidentially, efficiently, and strictly within UAE law, giving you peace of mind that your case is in professional hands. Whether you are still in the UAE or have left the country, our legal experts can review your file, verify your absconding status, and guide you on the best next steps to clear your record and restore your legal status. Section 8. Contact Masara Business and Legal Solutions. If you're dealing with an absconding issue, or even if you're unsure whether one has been filed, don't wait for it to become a bigger problem. Don't rely on rumors or unofficial advice. Contact us directly for confidential, professional support. Call, WhatsApp, +971 52 821 1343, alternate, +971 52 180 4612. Visit us, office. Number 118, first floor, M City. Mart Building, Ajman, UAE. Our goal is to help you get clarity, fix the issue legally, and move forward with confidence. Remember, absconding cases are serious, but they're not always the end. With the right legal guidance, you can challenge false reports, clear your name, and continue your life in the UAE legally and safely. At Masara Business and Legal Solutions, we believe every expat deserves fairness and legal clarity. I'm Mansoor, and this is Masara, where business meets clarity. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more legal awareness videos about UAE laws and expat rights.